Hey everyone, and thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I am going to show you how to apply lashes. I'm actually going to show you two options. Before that, I'm first going to apply my mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara, which is my favorite drugstore mascara at the moment. Some people prefer applying their mascara before going in with fake lashes, and some people prefer applying mascara afterwards. I prefer applying the mascara first because I don't want the mascara to get into the fake lashes. So now I'm using a tweezer to remove the lash band from the packaging of the lashes I'm using. I'm using my Anytude Baddie lashes today, and then I'm using a tiny scissor and I'm removing a tiny part of the fake lashes. This way they fit my eye shape. Now I'm going to use the House of Lashes lash glue, which is my personal favorite, and I'm taking a super tiny eyeliner brush and I'm using the applicator of the eyeliner to apply a little bit of the lash glue on it. Now there are two ways to apply your lashes. This is the first way I'm going to show you. This is actually a way that I didn't know about before. I'm just recently doing it this way. It's so much easier than how I would used to do it. You just apply the lash glue straight on top of where you applied your eyeliner. If you are not wearing eyeliner, you can apply a line of the lash glue right above your own natural lashes. I think for this particular step you can use different kind of brushes, but I think using more of a precise brush like the one that I'm using right now works a bit more easier to apply it really neat. Then now I'm taking the lash band with my hands. You can also use a tweezer, and I'm applying the lash band right on top of where I just applied the lash glue. I think this is one of the most easiest way to apply your lashes because I know a lot of people struggle when they apply their lashes when the lashes already have the glue on it, that when it goes wrong, like the lash glue is gonna be everywhere over your eyelids. So this is more of an easy trick for those who are struggling. You first apply the lash glue above the lash line and then you just stick your lashes against it. Then now to make sure that my own natural lashes are as close as possible against the fake lashes, I use my tweezer to press them against each other. Then I'm going in with some jaw eyeliner and I'm going to apply it right on top of the lash band because you can always see a little bit of that lash glue, which I don't really like personally. So I'm using a angled brow brush from Sigma Beauty, which is my favorite brush for applying eyeliner. And I'm applying the jaw eyeliner on all the places where I can still see a little bit of the lash glue. This way everything is covered and it looks really nice and black. Then now I'm going to show you the other option, which is the option that I always used to do. I take the same House of Lashes lash adhesive and I'm going to apply it directly on top of the lash band. I feel like compared to the other option I just showed you, this is more of a longer process because you're gonna apply it on top of the lash band. You have to wait like around a minute for the lash glue to set and dry. Then you're gonna apply it, and this not always works great like straight away. Sometimes it gets a bit clumsy and the lash band doesn't stick. So I feel like this is more of a complicated option. But yeah, I think you have to try both options to see what works best for you. So I just let the lash glue dry for around a minute so it's not as, I don't know what the word is. You want it to be sticky, but you don't want it to be like super wet that it doesn't stick on the eyelids. So I think just wait for around a minute and then I press the lash band in the middle. So the lash band is like exactly where I want it to be. And then I first press the outer end against the lash line and then the inner corner against the lash line. Let me know in the comments if you have tried both of these and what your favorite option is on how to apply lashes. I know a lot of people are currently sitting at home because of what's going on in the world, so maybe this is the perfect opportunity to try to apply lashes. I know a lot of people struggle with applying lashes and I used to find it really hard at the beginning as well. Especially when I used a different lash glue. Back in the days I always used the Duo lash glue and I really don't like that one in comparison with the House of Lashes glue. I just feel like this one just works really well. You don't have to wait super long for the lash glue to dry and it will hold your lashes all day. So I would definitely recommend this one. So yeah, I just hope this video is going to be helpful for those who are struggling with applying the lashes. Definitely let me know if you're gonna try it out, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!